Let me be brutally honest with you guys. I didn't become consistent because I was strong. I became consistent because I was tired. I was tired of being stalked. I was tired of starting and stopping, having big dreams but no progress. Watching others succeed while I stay in the same place. Feeling capable but not disciplined enough. There was this particular night that I remembered something very clearly. I had promised myself I'm going to start my side hustle post. You understand? I'm going to start my side hustle. I'm going to post a video. I'm going to finish a digital product. But instead, guys, I ended that day scrolling through social media, doing nothing. Like I spent over how many hours watching videos, doing nothing, just eating and lazing around. I watched people I didn't know accomplish everything I wanted. And I whispered to myself, girl, you are messing up. Why can't I stay consistent? Why can't I do the same thing that these people are doing? It was in that moment, feeling like that I started feeling guilty. I was frustrated. I was disappointed. I realized something very important, that motivation is a liar and consistency is the truth. You understand? Motivation comes and goes, but consistency is built. And today, guys, I'm going to show you guys the 6 ways I become consistent, even during seasons when I was unmotivated, overwhelmed, exhausted, and discouraged. So these 6 strategies actually changed my life, and number 6 of it all, like, we shift everything for you. If only you stay to the end of this video. Guys, let us dive in immediately because there is no time. So number 1 thing you should know is there is what we call the lower the entry point. Now, it feels too big actually, but your brain is going to reject it. I used to set giant goals, like I will work for 3 hours today, I will finish this entire project, I'm going to shoot like 10 videos today, I'm going to upload 5 videos like every week. You understand? Guess what? It didn't happen. You know why? Because the human brain in me hates overwhelmed. So I changed my approach and I made my entry point laughable small. So instead of record a video, I said, set up my phone. Instead of edit for 2 hours, I said, girl, open that CapCut. Instead of writing a script, I said, write 1 sentence. And something magical happened. Once I started, I kept going. Consistency, guys, is not about finishing big. It's about starting small. Do you understand? Now, number 2 strategy. Stop using motivation. Go ahead and build a routine. Motivation is like the weather. Sometimes it is very sunny. Sometimes it is like it disappears. So if your success depends on motivation, you are going to be inconsistent forever for the rest of your life. So I built routines. For example, I post every Tuesdays. I script at 8 p.m. I learn something new every Saturday. And I work on my side hustle at 6 a.m. I batch create on Sundays. You see, routine remove emotion. They remove excuses. They turn discipline into autopilot. So you don't need any form of motivation in your life. All you need is the rhythm. Do you understand? Now, number 3 strategy is go ahead and remove that friction, guys. You don't need to succeed because you are lazy. You succeed because you make success easier. So I removed friction by doing these things. Making templates for everything, saving my thumbnail precepts, creating video outline, keeping my filming setup ready, using automation tools, scheduling content, and pre-writing captions. For example, if recording takes me like maybe too long, you understand? I keep my tripod in one place. And if editing drains me, I use my templates. If posting feels overwhelming, guys, I schedule posts ahead of time. This whole thing saved a lot for me. So you need to make your goals convenient. Consistency becomes automatic, honestly. Now, strategy is number 4 is stop aiming for perfection. Guys, I've said this countlessly in my videos. Stop aiming towards being perfect. Truth of the matter is that we can never be perfect. Like, no matter how you try, all you need to do is to keep trying, and keep trying. There is no perfect time. Do you understand? Trust me, perfection kills more dreams than failure ever did itself. So you see, I stopped, like I used to stop creating because it's not good enough. It's not perfect yet. Let me wait until I'm ready. My camera isn't good. My voice isn't perfect. These are the things I used to do that time. But until I noticed something very crazy, I noticed that people weren't looking for perfection. They were looking for value. You understand? Some of my most imperfect videos perform the best, yes. And this taught me that consistency beats perfection every single time. So you need to show up messy, show up imperfect, show up afraid, but just show up, keep showing up. Do you understand? Then strategy number 5 is track your progress, not your emotion. Trust me, consistency has nothing to do with how you feel. It has everything to do with what you track. So I created simple tracking system for me. That is, I created a Google Sheet, a small notebook, my Notion dashboard, and also a work calendar. And every day I would mark what I completed in a day, what I started, what I improved, and what moved me forward. Now, seeing my progress build motivation for me. Like tracking progress also build consistency for me. Guys, your brain needs to prove that your effort is working. Understand? You need to give it that proof that it needs. Now, strategy number 6 is reconnect to your why. Do you understand? Which is the most powerful one. Now, this is the mindset shift that actually changed everything for me. Your why is the engine behind consistency. Now, when I remember why I wanted freedom, why I wanted online income, why I wanted passive income, why I wanted a new life, why I wanted to break generational strategy, something changed inside me. I stopped depending on that motivation that I always glamour for, honestly. And I started depending on the purpose, the reason why I wanted to do this. Do you understand? Your why makes consistent automatic. Your why pushes you at 2 a.m. when everybody is asleep. Your why reminds you not to quit, no matter how hard it looks like. Your why makes you, like, it wakes you up when motivation disappears. Your why is very, very strong. Your discipline becomes unstoppable. So you need to kill that off. You understand? You don't need motivation to change your life. You need consistency, and consistency is not a talent. It is not a gift. It is not something only special people have. It is a skill. It is a skill that you can actually learn, and also it's a skill that you can actually master. And that is also a skill that actually changed everything. You just need to start small, start slow, start shaky, start non-sure, but make sure you build something. Trust me, everything about your future is waiting for you. So if this is your first time of coming across my channel, please don't forget to like this video, share this video to a lot of persons so that they can actually see this video. You understand? Go down to the comment section and type "I will stay consistent," and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that I don't miss out on any of our weekly growth and income videos. See you guys in my next video.